All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the pre-lab for the Descriptive Investigation Conservation of Mass Lab. It's a very simple laboratory meant to point out that mass is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, but is conserved. So you have the same mass at the end as you do in the beginning. Please take a moment and read through this bit of the pre-lab before you get started. Then I'll just walk you through the general steps. You have a data table here for reactant 1 and reactant 2. The two reactants are ethanoic acid, which is a solution that is aqueous, aqueous. Then you have sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. That is solid. And so you will use the aqueous cup for one and the solid cup for the other. All right, the procedure is fairly straightforward. It asks you to use about the end of your pinky worth of baking soda. So we'll use about, say, that much right there. We're going to put that into the solid cup. Then we're going to measure 5 to 10 milliliters into the graduated cylinder of the ethanoic acid. This is vinegar, basically household vinegar. It doesn't matter really how much you use, just somewhere between 5 and 10 milliliters. Then you're going to pour that into the aqueous cup and set that aside. You're going to put both of those into the clean, dry sandwich bag. And then this part is important. When you start to seal the bag, before you completely seal it, you need to fold it down and you need to push as much of the air out as possible, like that. Then completely seal the bag. You're going to zero the balance. I'm just waiting for it to zero. And you're going to place the bag on there and you're going to record the initial mass, okay? Then at that point, you're going to take the bag off. You're going to read your instructions, but basically it amounts to pouring them upside down, mixing them together like that. You're going to see a chemical reaction. And you're just going to let, where am I? There I am. You're just going to let the chemical reaction finish. And then you're going to put the bag back on there and you're going to record the final mass. All right. Now, cleanup is pretty simple for this thing. You open the bag, you take your cups out. You're going to throw the baggie away, okay? So you don't have to worry about cleaning that. Then you just need to rinse both of the cups well with tap water. And dry them with a paper towel. And please be careful not to damage the cups because people are going to be using them all day. Throw your bag away, and that's it. You're done.